So it's another lovely day in the world of real estate. Let's just say it's a very crisp day today. It's extremely cold and icy, but being a real estate agent, we go and we meet our clients, and I just wanted to share something with a thought that I was having. Give me just a second. Let me get in the car here. As you can see, the car is the car is iced over. It's a little chilly as you look up and down the street. But again, sorry. Just trying to get in the car and warm up here for just a second. But I wanted to share a thought with you here. Let me get you set up. Okay, so it's a cold day, and I'm getting ready to meet some clients to do what we do, and that is show houses. But it also occurred to me, we work hard. We work hard as agents. We work hard for our money. We work hard, and we leave our family, our friends in the safe confines to go out and to work and to represent our clients. And I thought, why in the world should you pay your broker when your broker's not the one that's out there working? And in today's real estate market, there are so many tools that can be used for business that don't have anything to do with what your broker does or doesn't offer you. So what I wanted to talk about today was a new real estate company that's up and coming that I think you'll find very, very attractive. It's Call It Closed International Realty. Now, full disclosure, I joined Call It Closed International Realty, and we opened up the state of Kentucky and the state of Indiana back in January of 2021. And what I found in doing my research is this company will allow you to keep 100% of your commission. Now, there are companies out there that will allow you to keep 100% of your commission, don't get me wrong. But this company also offers something that other companies that allow you to keep 100% of your commission don't allow you to do as well. And that is to build a downline so you can make some residual income from the people that you bring in. Now, I know there's a couple of other companies out there that are doing that as well, but it's extremely complicated and trying to figure that out. So if you're interested in a very simple platform, if you're interested in keeping 100%, if you're interested in getting top-notch technology with a company that has the leadership and proven background, then you owe it to yourself just to check out Call It Closed International Realty. Now, I'm going to leave a link for you below. My direct number, should you want to call and chat, and it doesn't matter what state you're in, I'm happy to talk to you. You can call me directly at area code 502-220-4663. Think of it as 220-HOME, okay? 220-4663, area code 502. Again, my name is Todd Martin, and brokering the state of Kentucky and Indiana, but we have opportunities throughout the United States, and would love to just show you a simple way in which you can keep more money, put more money in your pocket, and really enjoy experiencing real estate again without having to worry about who gets what and how everybody gets paid. So, hope this makes sense, and thanks for listening, and we'll talk later.